8.
I'm going to explain here about the gear concept. So how does this look like?
I mean, I saw this, so if you hadn't shown it, it would have been difficult for me, but yes, it looks like a very faithful puppy.
Yes, this looks like a puppy, and when we are looking at this,
How different are these two puppies?
so that is like a killer, and this is like a dog.
What did we name that?
Spike.
Spiker, isn't it?
What is the name of this one?
Marco. Yeah, fantastic.
And when I switch on this, the tail and nose starts moving. This is because
What's the name? Rahul. We have done so many projects, okay? How are we going to use this in our day-to-day life?
this is for gear concept. This is really practice for.
Yeah, this particular puppy, if you can modernize it, make it better, how do you think can we use it? What are the dogs used for?
For something.
Dogs. What is strikers? What is the killer does it?
Killer does everything.
Today, the number of thieves around Moondal Road is so huge. I mean, in the night at 2 o'clock, if something happens, you come out of sleep, your sleep is completely disturbed. Probably if you have a faithful dog like this, which can, take care of the whole building, it's nice.
Can add something to if you can make it bigger and you can add something to it. And then you can make it and if someone comes to listen
Yeah, so we can be safe.
You can use it in getting the blind people also.
Yeah, blind people.
When there are dogs, patient got epilepsy, immediately it goes on.
Can. There are dogs who can smell bombs. Bomb squad dogs. Fantastic.
Dogs.
and this is our project lost cyber. Now let us explain about the project. This robot will sense the object in its vicinity of 50 centimeter wave. Do you know what's a cyber?
Striker can hit something. Ball, anything. You can play golf as well.
Sure, demo dear.
Oh my god.
It will strike this type of piston. And it measures this was a piston.
The tail. You can go in front of the car and
Would you care to
no.
experiment with them?
That comes in. Okay. I mean, how would you make it differentiate between a friend and enemy?
It's basic level, so we can't program with that. If we program it in high level, the card gives us only few numbers and it can't sense.
That's better, isn't it? We need so many in today's world. Great.
So,
What are you naming the puppy?
what is the name of the puppy? Smart puppy. Oh.
You not name anything? You name one good name for that. What do you name that? We'll name it now. A nice name.
We have got rock and killer in the campus.
Okay, that's killer is there. Anybody who can name that?
Spike?
Okay, Spike. Right? That's a smart spiky puppy.
Good morning, I'm Shri, class 6 and Daddy from class 5. And this is our project puppy. So have you seen a puppy anywhere? So does it look like a real puppy?
It does look like a puppy, but it has got skates on that.
So do you know why we have made our project as a puppy?
Well, it's interesting. I don't know.
Because we like to keep a pet.
Okay.
And this puppy can do whatever a real puppy does. Let's see. See, if I press the button, the puppy starts to move. This wire works as the brain of the robot, and this is a touch sensor, which works as the guidance of the robot. If you want the puppy to turn left or right, click the left, the right. Then if you press the touch sensor, it will move in that direction. This is the microcontroller which works as the brain of the robot, and it functions on all the parts of the puppy. In this robot, we have attached 3 servo motors. These 2 servo motors are used for these 2 wheels for going front and back. And this servo motor is used for turning the puppy's face. So do you know why we have used these different wheels?
One big and one small?
Yes, sir.
That would be because of the larger speed.
Not the speed. Here we have used different tires because this is a 360 degree tire. It is used for the puppy for turning in any direction, like it can turn in left or right direction, like anything. But this is a fixed one, which is used only for going front and back.
But in a car, we have a similar thing, isn't it?
Yes, same.
That can move.
This
Why
works
not?
as the leg of the puppy.
No, I understand. In a car, we have similar tires like that as well. Well, that can move. Why can't it move here?
We can move.
So we can have a similar tire with the thing as well, isn't it?
So do you have any questions or feedback?
Oh, fantastic. Good.
Is it
You've given a name already, Sumo inside.
I'm Vashina, of course.
This is our project, the humans.
This is a simple model of an ant.
It's an ant.
Now let's see the components just to make.
Rena, what is this?
They told me some microprocessor. I think that's also a microprocessor, okay?
This is a main component which is a brick-shaped computer called NXT Intelligence Microcontroller.
Have you been ever bitten by ant?
Yes.
Okay. The moment the ant bites you, you have a pain. After that, something else happens to you. What happens?
It becomes the place where it bites becomes red in color.
And you start itching, isn't it? Why? Your ant, can it bite?
No, it is just a moving ant.
It's just a moving. It's a good ant, isn't it?
When you push the button front, this model moves front, and when we push the button back, it moves right.
This is because of the microcontroller passes the part in motor and the motor rotates the axle and the axle rotates the wheel and these 2 gears make these straight beams which act as legs to move.
The gear can move both.
These 2 wheels act as the eyes of the ant, and these 2 axles act as the antenna of the ant.
Fantastic.
Do you
Great.
have any questions for me, sir?
Nothing. Great. It's nice one. Next time, make it sting. Okay. And there is something known as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. This is what is injected by the ant into a human body for it to itch. We can put some of that so that we can